Hi, welcome to this video where we will talk about reviving Samsung recovered data from your unresponsive phone. In our first scene, we'll discuss the common causes for your Samsung device failing to power on. It might be due to a depleted battery, malfunctioning power button, software issues, or even physical damage. Let's now explore the various methods to recover data from a non-responsive Samsung device. These methods encompass using broken Android data extraction, Samsung Smart Switch, engaging a professional data recovery service, utilizing Samsung Find My Mobile, and considering a battery replacement. In our third scene, we'll go over one of the recovery methods in details. It involves broken Android data extraction, a tool specifically designed to recover data. Install the tool, connect your device, and follow the provided steps for data recovery. Let's shift our focus to prevention. How can we avoid our device failing to power on? It's essential to take care of the device by maintaining good battery levels, shielding against possible physical harms, careful application installations, regularly updating the software, and properly managing device's temperature exposure. In conclusion, recovering data from a Samsung device that won't power on can be a daunting task, but it's not impossible. Use the methods we've discussed and follow the preventive measures to mitigate the risk of such issues in the future.